Question, tell me what you think about me. I buy my own diamonds and I buy my own rings. Only ring your celly when I'm feeling lonely. When it's all over, please get up and leave. Question, tell me how you feel about this. Try to control me, boy, you get dismissed. Pay my own car note and I pay my own bills. Always 50-50 in relationships. The shoes on my feet, the clothes I'm wearing, the rock I'm rocking. Depend on me if I want it, the watch I'm wearing.
You know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out your life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. Keep wasting my time, keep wasting my time.
Hey y'all, it's Charneeva. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be running a few errands and just basically pampering myself because for the past 2 weeks I've been super stressed. The past 2 weeks it was spring break, and then the first week back to school I've been super stressed. I just been in my thoughts. I just haven't been happy. So today I'm going to use the day to just take care of myself and get the little small toiletry things that I need. And just try to get myself back to being in a good place, like with myself and the people in my life. So stay tuned for this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. I don't have too much to do and I don't have that much money to spend, so we're gonna try to budget and make it work so that this video is, you know, a good quality video. But anyways, let's get into this video. Alright y'all, so I just got to my car and it's 10:38, 20 more minutes till 11, and 11 is when the nail spa that I want to go to opens. It's near, I don't know if I would say it's in Daytona 1, which is like a small, what would you call it, like it's like a plaza. Daytona 1 is like a plaza with like a whole ton of stuff in it. So the nail spa is in Daytona 1. That's so funny. This dude is walking with the girl and he literally just tried to talk to me not too long ago. Like, I don't know if that's his girlfriend or what, but that is holding her hand and walking her across the street. And he was just asking me for my Instagram and my number. I'm sorry. This is why I can't trust anybody else. Can't trust nobody. Dudes are weird. I'm waking up. As in the first clip, I was super tired, but like now I'm waking up. But it's just so, it's not even amazing. I don't even know why it still surprises me, because dudes just being yeah. I'm about to, by the time I get there, hopefully it takes me like a good 10-20, no, hopefully it takes me like a good 10 or 15 minutes to get there. So by the time I get there, they'll be just opening, so I could go get me a little pedicure. Because y'all, I haven't had my toes done since Christmas when I went with my mom in my Christmas vlog. I did my toes on my own, but I haven't got them like done. So I'm gonna go get them done, and I'm gonna get French because it lasts longer and it looks so cute on my feet. And I'm gonna go to Target afterwards because I need to get some personal goods. Alright y'all, so I'm like almost there, but what's so funny is that every light has been catching me, so it's been making the time, you know, because I've been in my car for, it'll be like 10 minutes and it opens in a little bit, so I'm gonna only have like 10 minutes to wait until they open. Alright y'all, so I made it. When I was over here before, because if y'all can tell in my last video I went to Jeremiah's, I was walking past this place and it's so cute and fancy in the inside. Like, it just looks very clean and very elegant, so I was like, I have to go there and get my feet done, because who wouldn't want to get their feet done when the building looks really good? Like, it looks like royalty in there. I'm gonna like try to film while I'm in there, but it looks really nice. It has a really pretty chandelier. It has like velvet seats. It's like really fancy. So I was like, I need to treat myself. So yeah, I'll get back to y'all in a few minutes. It is it's flipped on camera, but it's 10:51. So in 9 minutes I'll walk in. I already have my picture that I want to show her for the picture that I want to show the lady who does my nails, because not a lot of people know how to do the smiley face U-shaped toes. So hopefully that picture will give her a better description of what I'm saying, because sometimes it's hard to communicate what I want. Sometimes it's hard to communicate what I want to them, because, you know, they're not too fluent in English, like just enough to do business. But
Okay, you gotta let me know if it's too hot, okay?
Okay. It's a little warm.
Better?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay, fam. How's that feel?
That feels good.
You never did it for yourself?
No.
You literally can buy your own paraffin wax kit and it makes your feet feel really good after. We'll do it for the hands too.
Hey man, talk that shit now. Hey. About to get ate up.
Hey, niggas ain't gotta respect. Niggas just gotta accept. I put that top left. I love my crony to death. Hype Williams, no X. If you don't say it in the record, give a fuck. Yeah.
So the toes are done. My feet feel so soft. She put the wax on them. Like, y'all. Look at the new shoe. Bonita. I don't know if y'all ever seen that TikTok, but it's like,
you or do you not feel bonita?
I feel bonita.
Wonderful, because you look bonita.
bonita. Yes, sweet tea. These toes needed to be done. They are done, and they look good. All right, time to run to Target.
I put some ice on her hand. I let her take it in advance. She wasn't going as planned. I put her shit in the van. She gotta move with a friend. But she went back to her man. Give a fuck. I just put a wagon in the driveway. You know I did. When I shoot my shot, it's still go wild way it's going in. Me and little sicko sitting sideways, breaking tents. Used to be an antisocial nigga, now I'm making friends. I just got a mansion out in Turks and it's a beachfront. If she bringing 4 friends, I know I hit at least one. Got them all tanning by the pool and they greased up. Police in my city, man, I keep their pockets greased up. Me and Capo tryna leave our marketplace to Easter. Ain't nobody making too much money on the beach stuff. But I be for rapper cause I'm never with the sweet stuff. Shawty came from Mexico, she know she got the sweet stuff.
Question, tell me what you think about me. I buy my own diamonds and I buy my own rings. Only ring your celly when I'm feeling lonely. When it's all over, please get up and leave. Question, tell me how you feel about this. Try to control me, boy, you get dismissed. Pay my own car note and I pay my own bills. Always 50-50 in relationships. The shoes on my feet, I bought the clothes I'm wearing. I bought the rock I'm rocking.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Living, I bought a car I'm driving. I depend on me. I depend on me. All the way back with me. Throw your hands up at me. All the honeys making money. Throw your hands up at me. All the mamas profit dollar. Throw your hands up at me. All the ladies truly feel me. Throw your hands up at me.
Alright y'all, so I just left Ulta. I just got my brightening serum for my dark spots because I've been breaking out a little bit and I've been trying to keep my skin clear. So I got my brightening serum and then I got some more of my moisturizer because I'm running out and I just needed some moisturizer. But now I'm about to go back to the school, take everything out of my car and just clean my room maybe and just get ready for Monday.
Tell me how you feel about this. Do it how I want, live how I wanna live. I worked hard and sacrificed to get what I get. Ladies, it ain't easy being independent. Question, I just like this knowledge that I brought. Bragging on that cash that he gave you is a front. If you're gonna brag, make sure it's your money you front. And don't know one else to give you what you want. Shoes on my feet, I bought the clothes I'm wearing. I bought the rock I'm rocking. I bought it 'cause I depend on me. If I want it, the watch I'm wearing. I bought it, the house I live in. I bought it, the car I'm driving. I bought it, I depend on me.
Alright y'all, so I just made it back to the room. I just had lunch with Sade and everything, so I'm about to just lay down and get some sleep, wake up and do some homework. I'm gonna end this vlog here, so make sure y'all like, comment, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe and become a part of the dollhouse. I'll see y'all in my next video.
Keep wasting my time.